Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now, guys. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. No issues whatsoever. Clear, audible. Okay, great. So today our aim is to solve the most easiest interview question that has been given in Google interviews. Okay. The most easiest interview question that has been given in Google interview. That is our aim for today's class. And believe me when I say this, I am 99 point no, let me correct that. I am 100% sure that you guys will give me the answer for this question. I'm 100% sure. This question I picked up just for one particular reason itself. That is, first of all, it has been asked in Google interviews. It is a very popular question in Google interviews. Very simple question as well. Secondly, I know that you guys are smart enough. I know you guys are capable enough to solve this question on your own without my help. Of course, I'm there to help you guys. You don't have to worry about it. That is the reason why it's a live class, right? Otherwise, I would have said to you guys that, okay, this is the question number, go and solve it. We'll meet in our tomorrow's class, right? But it's not like that. I'm there with you guys on every step of the way. So, how many of you guys are confident that you guys like after listening to me? How many of you guys are confident that I will be able to solve this question? Please let me know. You don't have to worry about it. I am confident enough in you guys. How many of you guys are confident enough? Let me know, guys. How many of you guys are confident enough, guys? Somebody's asking, do you have a dog? So I have one golden retriever. I have two cats, two Persian cats. One is black and one is white. So yeah, that is the reason why when you look at my black colored dresses, it will be coated with hair, dog hair, cat hair, whatever you guys want to see. Sir, can I register for the training session today? Sanika, definitely yes. We still have, I think so, two more seats that are currently available. So if you want to register, you can do it today. Okay, so I hope so that if I'm confident, I am pretty sure that you guys will be confident enough in yourself. I'm more than enough sure for it. Okay, because I trust you guys that you guys will be able to understand the question very easily. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. So I also have four golden retriever and two German shepherds. I used to have a German shepherd, but I actually gifted it to one of my friends. So yeah, that's great. Golden retrievers are love, man. Golden retrievers are love. Okay, so Sanika, I have put up the link in the live chat. You can take it up from right over there. Okay, no issues in that. So, shall we start with our today's class, guys? Please let me know. Shall we start with our today's class, guys? Please let me know. Yes, no, what is the scenario right over there? Shall we start? Okay, great, awesome, guys. So let me first share my screen with you guys. Otherwise, I'll forget like every single time, and then you guys will be like, "Bhul gaya." Okay, so let me do that for you guys. I hope so that you guys are able to see my screen right now. And let's get started. I will just take out the live chat as well so that I'm able to see what you guys are all typing about. And yeah, we can get started with the question. So this is a question that is extremely famous to being asked in Google interviews. Now, you guys, after solving the question, will have this question in your mind that, dude, it was such an easy question. Why is it being asked in Google interviews? So, in Google interviews or in major interviews for very high salary fresher job roles, like, hello, Didi, ये ले जाइएगा आधा कल छूट गया था सूजी को भेज दीजिएगा थैंक यू सो मच दीदी so you will have this question in your mind, guys, that itna easy question tha, it was such an easy question, why is it being asked in a interview for Google, right? Google has a great package. Initially, in my days, it was 60 lakhs per annum. That was the CTC. Right now, it is approximately 65, 67 lakhs per annum. So they have increased it. But yeah, why are they asking such type of questions right over there? The reason for that is when you're going for a high paying job role, they just don't want you guys to be able to tell them the solutions. They want to see what is your thought process. How did you figure out the solution? What was going in your head while solving that question? So that is very important in these interviews as well. That is the reason why I'm going step by step, making sure that you guys are able to understand the question properly. So let's go to the problems. Let me find a problem for you guys. That was, I think, the 122. Best time to buy and sell stock. Okay, so this is the question that is going to be there, guys. Very, very, very amazing question. Very easy. Just that you need to understand the English. If you are able to understand the English, you are able to understand the concept, you will be able to solve the question as well. It is as simple as that. Again, it has been tagged as medium, but when we will be doing the question, you will easily be able to see that this is an easy question itself, although it has been marked as medium. Okay. Okay, so shall we start with the question, guys? Please let me know. Shall we start with our question, guys? Shall we start with our question, guys? Please let me know. Nice coffee. Initially, I used to uh, have a Nescafe mug, and people will be like, why are you promoting Nescafe? And I was like, dude, like I only have that mug. Now I have a lot of different mugs from office. So that's really great. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Let's start by reading the question first of all. You are given, I want everybody to read the question. Okay, if you are not able to understand the question, read it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Okay, take up your time, but read the question properly, guys. I will read the question along with you. Okay, you are given an integer array, prices. Okay, so we are having an integer array, okay, called as prices, where price is I. That means the elements inside of the prices array is the piece of a given stock, is the price. I'm very sorry, it is the price of a given stock on the ith day. Okay, so on the 0th day the price is 5 rupees, on the first day the price is 6 rupees, and so on and so forth. So it contains the prices on a certain day itself. On each day you may decide to buy or sell the stock. Okay, so I'm a broker right over here. I can buy or sell stocks. You can only hold at most one share of the stock at any time. So if I buy a stock, okay, if I buy a particular stock, I cannot buy 2 stocks. I can only buy 1 stock at a time. Okay, however, you can buy it and then immediately sell it on the same day. So if I'm buying a stock today at 5 rupees, I can sell it today itself at 5 rupees as well. So there will be no profit, but yeah, I can do that. So there's no time limit that I have to hold it for 1 day or 2 days. I can sell the stock on the same day as well. Okay, great. Find and return the maximum profit you can achieve. Okay, I want to buy and sell stocks in such a way that I'm able to achieve the maximum profit. Okay, so that is the question. Did you guys were able to understand the gist of the question? Even if you are not able to understand, we will look at the example to understand the question a little bit more. But were you able to understand the question a little bit, guys? Please let me know. Coffee is great. Were you able to understand the question a little bit, guys? Please let me know. Yes. Oh, you guys are amazing. Great, guys. Great. Let us take up the first example that we are having right over here. Now, stocks, whenever you think about stocks, okay, the first thing that comes into my mind is graphs, because usually stocks are represented through graphs itself, and it is much more easier to understand through graphs. So let us do something. We know that the prices has been given to us. This is the prices array itself that is going to be the input given to us, guys, and we need to understand when to buy and when to sell. So let us plot it out. Let us plot it out, guys, so that we are able to relate to it much more better. Again, guys, you guys can imagine this in your head as well. Some of you guys might not be able to visualize it, hence I am trying to plot it out so that it becomes easy for everybody to understand the concept. Okay. Where is it? Dude, this is not connected. Give me a second, guys. My tab is not connected. Let me just connect the tab to the computer. Give me a second. Okay. Where is your wire? Reach. Think so. I've connected the wire properly. Sorry, guys. Came back. Let me just check if the wire has been connected properly. Okay, so let's draw it out and let's try to see if we are able to understand it or not. 715364. 715364. That is the input array that has been given to us, guys. Let us plot it out. So your maximum is 7. Let us do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we start at 7 at day 0 because indexing starts at 0 and it has been like, okay, daily, this is the price of the stock. So day 0 we are at 7. Okay, then we go down to 1 right over here. On day 1 we are having the price as 1. Then we go to day 5, sorry, day 2, index 2, that is for the price of 5. Okay, so 7, 1, 6 and 5. So this will be the plot right over here. Then we will go to day 3. At day 3 we are having the price as 3, so let us plot it as 3 itself right over here. Then we are having day 4 and day 5. Day 4 it is 6, so we will be somewhere here. If I make a mistake, guys, please just point it out for me because sometimes I might also make a mistake. I'm also human. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the price on day 5. Okay, let us jot it down as well. So we'll connect all these lines here. I am terrible at this. Okay, this is connected here. This is connected here. This is connected here. This is connected here. This is connected. Shit. Okay, so we have connected all the plots right over here, guys. Okay, are you guys able to see this? Is there any kind of mistake in this? Please do let me know. How many seats are left for the internship? Right now, 2 seats are left for the internship. The pre-registration for the same, I have already pinned it up in the comment section. Okay, everything is good up till here. Great. Okay, so what is our aim, guys? Can somebody let me know? We have got this amazing chart. Let's say this is the stock price of Google. Oh, that is a very terrible spelling of Google. Okay, so can somebody let me know what is the aim of ours when we see this chart according to the question, guys? What do you think is the aim, guys? Please let me know. What do you think is the aim, guys? Please let me know. Our aim is to get maximum profit. That is our aim. Our aim. Very good. See, yeah, you are also right. But what is the aim? What is the final goal? Max profit. Very good. Very good. Carry X psycho. Very good. It is to find the maximum profit. Maximum profit. That is our aim, guys. Okay. So if we want the maximum profit through some insider trading, we already know the pricing. What should we do to get the maximum profit, guys? What should we do to get the maximum profit, guys? Can somebody let me know? What will be the first thing that comes into your mind? That okay, if I know already all the prices, what should be the first thing that I should do to maximize my profit itself, guys? What should I do, guys? Think about it. Think about it. Let me know. Some of you guys have already given the answer. I know that. I'm not saying you guys are wrong. You guys are absolutely right. But still, I want everybody to think about it. That what should I do when I see this chart to maximize my profit? Very good. Afya Bhagwan. Okay. Buy stock at the lowest price and sell at the highest price. Simple, right? Every time that I'm able to do this, every time that I buy at the lowest price and sell at the highest price, I'm able to maximize my profit. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. And I can't buy more than one stocks. It has been clear in the question. I can only buy only one stock, but I can sell on the same day as well. There's no point in that. So everybody who said that, okay, I will buy at the lowest price and I will sell at the highest price, you guys are right. You guys are going in the right direction itself. Now let us try to plot it out and let's see what is happening right over here. Let us change our drawing board. Let us change the color to be green in color. Okay. So here the price is 7. I don't have any stocks right now, right? When I'm starting the question, when I'm coming to this particular plot, I don't have any stock right now. So I cannot sell a stock if I don't have it, right? I can only sell a stock if I buy something. So the first particular job right over here is to buy something. So when should I buy? I should buy when the price is low, right? So here the price is 7. So if I buy right over here and then sell right over here, I will be at a loss, right? If I buy here and sell here, I will be at a loss. Am I right, guys? Please let me know. Yes, I'll be at a loss. I'm buying at 7. I'm selling at 1. It will be a loss itself. So what would I do? I will go to the next day. I will go to the next day. Here, the price is 1 rupee. So if I buy here and I sell here, I'm getting a profit, right? If I buy here at day 1 and sell it on day 2, I'm getting a profit. So what is that profit? That profit is 5 minus 1, that is equals to 4. The profit is 5 minus 1, that is equals to 4. I am selling at 5. I'm buying at 1. So I'm having 4 as a profit. Am I right? Then if I buy here, if I again buy here at 5, then I sell it here at 3, I will be at a loss, right? Think about it, guys. Think about it. If I buy at 5 and then sell at 3, I will be at a loss. If I buy at 5 and then sell at 3, then I will be at a loss itself, right? So that is not good, not good at all. So I will not be buying at 5. I'll be going to the next line itself. Again, what will be happening right over here, guys? Again, what will be happening right over here? If I buy at 3, guys, and then I sell at your 6, I'm at a profit. Yes. So again, I will do 6 minus 3, that is equals to 3. That is my profit right over here. So here I'm getting a profit of 4. Here I'm getting a profit of 3. Then again, if I do that, if I buy at 6 and then sell at 4, then again I'm at a loss. This is not a very good thing. This is not a very good thing, right? So what is the pattern that you are able to observe right over here, guys? If this particular pattern, if any array has been given to you, what is the pattern that you are able to see in this? What is the pattern that you are able to see in this, guys? I know you guys are able to see a pattern. Think. Come on, guys. This is very simple, very easy, very straightforward. And I'm very, very, very confident that you guys will be able to tell me the answer. That is the confidence that I have in you guys. You should have more confidence in yourself. What is the pattern that you are able to see right over here, guys? Next number should be greater than the previous number. In that case, we get a profit. Okay. Very good, Garima. Very good. This is a good way of doing it. Buy at low price and wait for profit. That is not, okay, again, I'm just talking about this array. Do not think about this right now. What is the pattern that you were able to see? The pattern is wherever the next number is greater than the previous number, I plus 1 is greater than I. In that case, we have a profit. Here as well, I plus 1 is greater than I, then we have a profit. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Again, guys, you guys are again getting stuck to the example of stocks. You have to just use that example to understand the question. The next part comes to just understand numbers, not the question. Do not think about like, oh, these are the stocks, buy, sell, low, high. No, try to find a pattern behind it, guys. Try to find a pattern. The pattern is in terms of I plus 1 and I. That is the pattern that I'm able to see, that whenever the price is increasing the next day, I need to buy. That is the pattern, guys. Now, how can we do this when it comes to in terms of programming? I want to do this, but in terms of programming, how can I do that? First of all, I need to decide that my profit, okay, is equals to 0. Because if I'm not able to buy anything throughout the entire, like it is a continuously decreasing graph. Let's assume that it is a continuously decreasing graph, guys. Then in that case, I will never be able to buy anything, right? So I will declare my profit as 0 in the initial, because initially I don't have any profit, right? In my pocket, there is nothing. I don't have any profit. So initially my profit is 0. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to iterate over the entire array. That is for int I is equals to 0. Okay. So we can we need to compare both of them, right? Let's leave I for now. Let's leave the for loop for now. I will ask you guys that the comparison that we have to do. So okay, so we'll iterate over the array. Okay, for something. Okay, for something. This is something that we'll get back to it in just 2 minutes. In just 2 minutes, we'll get back to it, guys. We just know that we are using I to iterate over it. Okay. If we buy at 3 and sell at 6, 6 is greater than 3. Maybe the next price is 8. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, we'll come back to this. Yeah, Abidi, I'm very sorry if I'm butchering your name. We'll come back to this particular example as well. But just go over the entire question once. I think so you'll get the answer. But still, I'll get back to that question as well. So we'll come to this particular for loop once. Okay. Below that, what should we do? If in the scenario, price I is greater than I plus 1 or something like that, whatever you want to do, guys, I plus 1 is greater than price I. In that case, we'll have to increase our profits. Am I right, guys? Guys, in that case, we'll have to increase our profits, right? Right? If I plus 1, price I plus 1 is greater than price I, then we'll have to increase our profits. Am I right, guys? So we'll do profit is equals to profit plus price I plus 1 minus price I. Yes? You can do this. Am I right, guys? That is how we will be able to create profit, and at the end we'll just return the profit. That is the answer that we want to return. PROFIT, profit. This is the answer that we want. That is what is the profit. That is what we are going to return as well. Now, if you are able to look at this question, can you guys let me know what should come here in the for loop? For int I is equals to what should be the initial value of I, guys? What should be the initial value of I, guys? Think about it, guys. This is very important. This is where many of the students actually fuck up. That is the reason why I'm telling you guys this. Think about everything that you're going to answer during these brackets, guys. Int I is equals to 0. Valid number. We can take that in. I is equals to 0. I should be less than what, guys? I should be less than what? Harin, this is why I told you to listen, to think about it. Harin, you are wrong. You are wrong. Think about it, guys. Look at what is the value of I that we are using inside of our for loop. Okay. What should be the value of I? What should be the greatest value of I, guys? So if the maximum value that I'm having, okay, the length of the array is n, right? Let's assume this is our array and the length of the array is n, guys. That means it starts from 0 and goes till n minus 1. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. If the total number of elements in the array is n, then in that case we'll start the indexing from 0. So 0, 1, 2 and so on and so forth, and we go up till n minus 1. Now I is taking up these indexes. Now the value of I is I plus 1. So if we give this as, okay, less than n or something like that, then I can take up the value of n minus 1 as well. I is equals to n minus 1, right? I can take up that value because I is less than n. But what is I plus 1 then? I plus 1 is n. Does n index exists? Does n exists as an index? No, right? This is what you need to think about when you are using I plus 1 or I minus 1 or something like that. You have to think about what is the standard value of I. So I would be less than n minus 1, guys. This is the value of I. I would be less than n minus 1, so that it should never, the value of I plus 1 should never be able to cross the number of indexes that are there, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please, if you're not able to understand, please let me know. I'll try something else to make you guys understand. But are you guys able to understand why I should be less than n minus 1 and not less than n? Are you guys able to understand it? Please do let me know. This is very important, guys. Yes? Okay. Satyam is not able to understand. Satyam, try to understand this. In the if statement itself, in the if statement, you are having price at index n plus 1. We are using price at index n plus I plus 1. Okay. So the maximum value of the index, if x is the maximum value of the index, it should always be less than n. So I plus 1 should be less than n as well at any particular point of time, because I plus 1 is an index, right, of price. I plus 1 is an index of price, guys. So I plus 1 should be always less than the size of the array. So I should be less than n minus 1. If you want to think about it mathematically, this is the exact mathematical logic. If you want to think about it logically, that was the logical example that I gave you earlier on. So, and I plus plus, absolutely, we don't have to forget that, I plus plus, and that's it. You have actually coded the entire thing. You have actually coded the entire thing, guys. This is the code. This is the answer. As simple as that. And you guys said me the code. You guys told me what to do, what not to do. I didn't say anything. I was just trying to tell you guys what to think about next. But you guys did it on your own. As you're able to see, this is simple. The more that you practice, the more questions that you start solving, you will be able to understand stuff much more faster, much more efficiently, and you will be able to solve much more number of questions. And this was a medium question asked in Google interviews, and you guys actually did it. Pat yourself on the back. So now comes a question that I think so, I forgot the name. Somebody asked, what was the question? Okay, I remember the question. I forgot the name. Yeah, Abhidi, I guess she asked the question right over there. The question was very simple. We are buying at 3 and selling at 6. What if there was 8 in front of it? If this was our array. If this was our array, guys, we are buying at 3, we are selling at 6, and then there is an 8 as well right over here. So think about it like this. If we buy at 3 and then we sell at 6, so 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3. Then we can again buy right over here itself, because all this is also smaller than 8. This value is also smaller than 8. So you can again buy at 6, right? So we'll again buy at 6 and sell at 8. So your net profit through this is also going to remain the same. That is 5. We don't have to jump. We can do it step by step. What's the harm in that? Are you able to understand this? Yeah, Abhidi, please let me know. Sanika, as I have pre-registered for the training, what is the next process? Sanika, somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you and will be helping you out throughout the entire thing. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, great. So let's go back to our coding itself, guys. We'll finish our code as well. So again, we'll start with the basics. And price is equals to 0. Sorry, profit. I'm so sorry. And profit is equals to 0. How to use lead code? Can you explain in the end of the lecture? We are using lead code. This is how you use lead code. You do easy questions. You first learn a data structure, then you come to lead code. You see the easy questions of arrays, you solve them. You can just search for array and then lead code. It will get you there itself. So use the questions based off arrays, you solve them, you move on, and so on and so forth. That is how you use lead code. It's as simple as that. For int I is equals to 0, I is less than. How to find the size of a particular vector, guys? I've already taught you guys this. Can anybody tell me how to find the size of a vector, guys? What is the code for that? Can somebody let me know? What is the code for finding the size of a particular vector, guys? I told you guys this yesterday. Vector dot size. Great. Prices prices. Dot size id size. Okay. And then we will have our I plus plus. I hope so I'm not wrong in this code at any particular point of time. Okay. Then we are going to have PRI Z profit. PROFIT profit. Now instead of doing profit plus is equals to profit plus something, we can directly write this as plus is equals to. Okay. Okay, it means the exact same thing. Profit is equals to profit plus something. We can directly write profit plus is equals to, and then your particular code. Okay, just remember that. So if we are going to check prices, I plus 1 is greater than prices I. Okay, in that case, we are going to add the profit plus is equals to, and then you are having your PRICES price. Why am I writing it again? I can just copy paste it, right? Control C, Control V, and then minus in between. And then at the end, we can just return the profit. Forgot to put the semicolon right over there. Are you guys able to understand this code, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this code, guys? Please do let me know. Any problem with this code? Anything that you are not able to understand? Please do let me know, guys. Let us run this on the test cases to see if everything is working fine or not. So all the 3 test cases has been accepted. Let's try to submit it up and check if we are able to get the right answer or not. And it has been accepted right over there as well. So beats 100% of users with C++. Memory is also great. Everything is perfect for our code. And you are able to see there are some other examples as well, some hard examples, some easy examples that if you want to try it out. Can you show the graph once? Absolutely, yes. Absolutely. Oh, no, I cannot show the graph again. It's gone, man. Let me try if I'm able to. Nah, I can't show the graph again. It is gone. You can try plotting the graph on your own if you want that. So were you guys able to understand this question? And believe me on this, guys, this is a very famous interview question and a very simple interview question at that. And you guys actually did it. So it's not a point of how much you know. Even if you didn't knew arrays, you would have been able to solve this question. The point is very simple. How many questions do you practice? That is very important, guys. That is very important. Are you guys able to understand this? Nishu, Isa, even I have completed my task. Nishu, for the past 7 days, I have not sent any of the letters for campus ambassador. I will send it by tomorrow. Okay, so by tomorrow, most likely you will be able to get it. Okay, great. You guys are so smart, so intelligent. That's really great to see right over here, guys. That's really great to see right over here. Okay, so was the question interesting? Was the question good? Was the question something that you guys were able to understand? Please do let me know. Was the question something that was easy for you guys to understand, right? Nothing too difficult about it. Yes? Everybody was able to understand it, right? Okay, great. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Okay, so I'll give you guys the attendance for today's class right now itself. In the meanwhile, guys, anybody who is still interested in the training and internship program, who still wants to enroll in the training and internship program, please let me know. Anybody who is still interested in the training or internship program, because we are having the last 2 seats that are available. We'd love to fill up those seats so that we are able to start with the batch. We have to send the email to the companies of the list of the students that are interested and that have already registered. So we have to do it, I think so, by Monday. So we don't have enough time for it. So how many of you guys are still interested in the training and internship, guys? Please let me know. Anybody who is still interested? So if you guys are still interested, I will strongly urge you guys to finish your pre-registration as soon as possible. The pre-registration link I've already provided to you guys in the live chat. I've already pinned the pre-registration link up as well. Can it be extended? Digvijay, what you can do is you can do your pre-registration right now itself. Let's assume you want to enroll after 3 months as well, then you can do that. So you don't have to worry about it. So we keep your seat frozen because we have already sent your name to the companies, right? So we don't, whenever you want to start, you can start on your own pace because we have multiple different training programs that are going on with different colleges itself. This is just the so that we are able to send the names to the companies. That's it. So you don't have to worry about it. And the pre-registration is like 600 bucks, 600 rupees itself. Okay, so for those students who are interested in the training and internship program, please do complete your pre-registration as soon as possible. In the meanwhile, I'll create the attendance link for you guys while completing my coffee. I'll register exactly at 9 p.m. And definitely yes. So you told, is it possible to get a really good job after learning full stack even if you are not good? Okay, so let me tell you guys this. I always tell you guys, right? DSA is compulsory, competitive programming is compulsory, and so on and so forth. Right? I always tell you guys this. Am I right, guys? So that is true if you are thinking about big companies. When it comes to small companies, but they are also paying an amazing salary package itself, only in full stack development. Even if you're not good at DSA, you're not good at competitive programming, you will still get job opportunities at good packages. But for data science and cybersecurity, it is not going to work for you. It is not going to work for you. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Motivational shots, I have not yet released the certificates. I'll do that within 7 days. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. So I've already paid the fees, but I will not be able to start right away. I will start from May. That is up to you, Harshit, whenever you want to start, because you will have to give a lot of time to the program, right? Because we also want that our students are able to do extremely well during the program. They're able to get into good companies. And that is our aim at the end of the day, because that helps us develop a very good understanding with the company, a very good relationship with the company when we are able to deliver good quality students itself. So I'm a computer science student and confused with the career path. If you are from a very good college, you are having very good placements in your college, go further with data science. If you are not having good placements in your college, go further with full stack development. It is as simple as that. Okay. So guys, like I said, for those students who are interested for the training and internship, please do complete your pre-registration as soon as possible. So the internship and training program different from campus ambassadors. It's the same. It's different. Campus ambassador internship is different. Training and internship program is different. Okay. So I haven't received previous bootcamp certificates. Certificates have been released. You can do is you can email us to us at certificates@devtown.in. But yes, certificates have been released. If you have not got it, please check your attendance. Maybe you don't have like out of 9 days, 8 days of attendance was compulsory for the previous bootcamp. So yeah, if you don't have that, then we will not be able to help you out with the same. Okay, let me put up the attendance as well. ATTENDANCE attendance. Control V. So how can we get a certificate of this course after completion? You will get it on your email ID. Whatever your email ID is that you are using for attendance, that is where you are going to get it. So can I use Python in backend development? If you're going with data science as a career, then only use Python in backend development, otherwise not. Roadmap and what is current going in company, which sector is booming? Okay, if that's a question, please don't, like, that is a very bad question right over there. Just aim for becoming a software engineer, do data structures, algorithms, do competitive programming. Choose either between data science, full stack, or cybersecurity. Learn one of them correctly and properly. That's it. Okay. How much late can we start the training after registration? That is up to you. You can, like, you want to start it after 6 months, 9 months. That is up to you, but you will have to complete your registration first. Okay. Which has more which has more competitive full stack data? I'm not able to understand your question, Madhur. You will have to say it up clearly. Which has more what? What IT job doesn't require DSA or programming? So see, that is not the case. DSA and programming is not required for IT jobs. It is required for MNC IT jobs. If you think about getting into Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Samsung, Geo, you want to get into TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, their DSA and CP is compulsory. We're planning to get into a startup, and most of the big name startups, DSA CP will be compulsory, but smaller scale startups, only your tech is important. Can you tell me the email? Certificates @devtown.in, plural. Python का bootcamp है 15 से. Yes. Sir, in second year, branch change is a good option if you are able to get into CSE. Yeah, that is a good option always. Otherwise not. Okay. Okay, which field to choose between data science and full stack dev? So if you are from a very good college which has good placements or something like that, then go further with data science. If you're not from a good college, you don't have placements in your college, go further with full stack. Will cybersecurity demand go high in future? If you're thinking it is going to match up with data science and full stack, no, that is not going to be the case. It is still going to remain lower, because that is not, a lot of people are not necessary in cybersecurity. People are necessary, but not a lot. And big companies are only going to hire, not a lot of people are going to be hired. So yeah, you will have to think about it. My suggestion will be go with full stack with an expertise in cybersecurity. So that is a kind of person that will always be in demand. Okay. Shitty placements in my college, go further with full stack. Okay. I'm a final year student. I joined in a full stack internship. Give some tips to me. Focus upon the projects, focus upon learning the technologies properly, focus upon building as many number of projects as possible practically itself. Don't get stuck on the basic things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Focus upon learning more number of skill sets and building better projects right over there, full stack projects right over there, and try to apply at as many number of companies as possible. That will be my suggestion to you. In full stack, it is usually like how we get it. KD, like I said, we'll be releasing that within the next 7 days. I have, that was my responsibility to release it. I have not done it. I will release it in the next 7 days. Okay, KD. Is UI UX similar to backend front end? No, it is not a job for programmers. It is a job for designers. Many people feel that they want to get into like UI UX, but the potential for UI UX I don't see in them. They don't understand. They feel, oh, coding nahi hai, isme mein ghus jayenge. That is not how it works. You have to be very good at UI UX right now to get a decent job as well. HTML, CSS, PHP skip कर सकते हैं. HTML, CSS तो करना ही पड़ेगा भाई. You cannot skip HTML, CSS. PHP अगर तुम कर रहे हो तो गधे हो तुम. Basically यही बोलूंगा, या कोई तुम्हें गधा बना रहा है. Okay. Can you make AWS Cloud Computing Bootcamp? Actually, I'm going to get that bootcamp very soon. I'm going to do that bootcamp. Okay. So how can I communicate with you personally for some problems? You can communicate with me on Instagram, on LinkedIn. You can communicate through me. I will avoid using email because I rarely look at my emails. But yeah, Instagram is something that I use occasionally. So you can connect with me on Instagram. So will improving my LinkedIn account make me more noticeable to the recruiters, like uploading certificates and achievements? Actually not. Recruiters are not interested in your certificates and achievements. Achievements, okay, like you won a hackathon or something, but they are more interested in what are you learning? What are you doing? Okay, you solved a question. What do you learn from that question? You made a project. What do you do in that project? How did you make it successful? And good quality projects update right over there that you're daily coding, all these kind of stuff. Okay, today I did this. Day 115 of my coding journey, day 116 of my coding journey, and so on and so forth. Secondly, nobody is going to connect with you. You need to connect with more talent recruiters. Find HR people, find talent recruiters, connect with them. Okay. So after these boot camps, can you please teach us Java with DSA? So if you're joining the training and internship program, we have Java and DSA in that. But nevertheless, you can go further with like I will have a boot camp in the future for sure. Should I continue Java, switch to Python for what? So data analytics, the right path in the present time? Absolutely not. Go with data science, and that too if you are from a very good college. Otherwise, go further with full stack development. Do you think we should learn .NET? No, not at all. If the company requires it, they will train you in that. Please don't learn .NET on your own. That is a dying technology right now. Okay. So, okay, guys, like I said, for those who want to pre-register for the training and internship program, I have already provided you guys with the pre-registration link in the live chat. Please do complete your pre-registration as soon as possible, because once the seats are over, even I will not be able to help you guys out with it. So I have a CST branch will have disadvantage over CSE branch in the future. Dude, companies don't care about it, so you don't have to worry about it. Thank you so much, guys. We'll meet in tomorrow's class and we'll continue from right over there. Thank you. Thank you. SQL is important for DBMS. Absolutely, yes. There's no issues in that. You have to do it. Thank you, guys. Bye.